Hey folks, this is Josh Calendar here at McLarty Nissan Benton here in Benton, Arkansas, and I'm bringing you the all-new redesigned 22 Nissan Pathfinder. You'll notice here right off the bat you have the 3-notch grille inspired by the first generation Pathfinder. You'll also notice here you now have LED headlights. Those have been much needed and I'm very happy to install them. So we make our way around here to the passenger side. You'll see you have blinkers on your side mirrors. They also moved your blind spot monitoring to your side mirrors as well. You'll also notice here that you have driver and passenger zero gravity seats. That's going to come in handy on those long trips that you're going to be taking. You also have roof rails on here, so that's definitely one of the many accessories that you can get with the 22 Pathfinder. As we open up our back door, you'll notice here that you have captain chairs. That's something that's all new and was in high demand for the Pathfinder. A lot of people wanted this feature. So you have captain chairs along with the center console. You also have easy access to the third row with just a push of a button. I'll show you that feature in a moment. As we make our way around here to the back of this 22 Pathfinder, you'll notice that they spread out the spelling of the word Pathfinder. This one is also an intelligent 4-wheel drive. It is equipped with a tow package that has up to 6,000 pounds of towing on it on your well-equipped Pathfinders. One-touch activated lift gate. You'll see your third row still has your 60-40 split seat. Easy activation to fold down the third row seat. Simply pull that up and there it goes. One of the other great mini accessories you get with the 22 Pathfinder is going to be your carpeted mats. Those are really handy. And now I'm going to show you how to use those captain seats. Now, remember that little button I showed you? So if you want access to your third row, your spacious third row, you're just going to put your hand here to guide it. You're going to hit that button, and it's just that easy. That's how easy it is to gain access to your third row. Now, simply fold it down. Now, before I remove this center console, I want to let you know that this is going to come in handy for a lot of people. This thing has 16 cup holders. Now, for ease of access to remove it, you simply pull this little piece out here. There's a button underneath as well that you push, and just like that, this less than 10-pound center console comes out. Now, when you want to put it back, you're going to put the back end first, and then you're going to put down the front end and listen for the click, just like that. Then you simply replace this here, and just like that. Let's go to the front. Now, as we take a seat here in our zero gravity seats, you'll notice you have an all new redesigned center console with 13 liters of storage. The 4-wheel drive comes with your 7-mode selector. Those modes are going to be your sand mode, your mud and rut, your snow mode, your normal mode, your eco mode, your sport mode, and then of course your tow and haul mode. You also have the same electronic shifter from your 21 Nissan Rogue. Another new feature that they added into the Pathfinder is going to be your auto start stop feature. A lot of questions I get asked is, Josh, how safe is the Pathfinder? Pathfinder comes standard with 10 airbags. You also have blind spot monitoring, as I mentioned, on your side mirrors. You also get on this specific trim level, you're going to get your lane departure warning with your lane intervention, and you're also going to get a forward collision warning on it as well. Now this one happens to be a premium package, so you also get heated seats, and then you have the same 8-inch display screen on it as well. Now, one of the many questions I get asked is, Josh, why should I come to Benton, Arkansas to buy from McLarty Nissan? More specifically, why buy from you? That's easy. That's because the reason we sell so many is because you pay so little. Thank you.